Crack, thud, bam! No, those aren't the sounds of a superhero. It's North Penn's very own bowling team. North Penn just faced off against one of their biggest rivals, the Quakertown Panthers, on North Penn's home turf, Earl Bowl Lanes.
Today we faced Quakertown, which we were tied for the division lead, and they were defending champions of last year. So taking a sweep is really huge for the season this year. It's almost historic.
How exactly do you sweep at bowling? Well, every bowling match is 4 points to win. 1 point to each team who has the higher amount of pins knocked over at the end of each of the 3 games, and 1 point to whomever knocked over the greater amount of pins overall. Both the North Penn boys and girls bowling teams have won numerous district and conference championships, just like many other prestigious sports at North Penn. These athletes spend years working on their accuracy and technique to claim these challenging titles.
I like it. I personally enjoy it. I think people can gain a lot from it. You can gain new friends. You become good at bowling, honestly, because practice, it's with every sport. As long as you practice and improve from time to time, you'll get better and better each time. It's like basketball, football. You put in the work, you'll get the rewards.
Last year we didn't have a full team until the very, very end, and we try to recruit. Just tell your friends, hey, come on out, it's fun. You don't have to be good. Anybody can bowl.
The North Penn bowling team is still open and still accepting players right now. If you feel the racing need to send fireballs careening down the alley, or just need to relax and have fun, then the North Penn bowling team might just be the home for you. Reporting for North Penn Television, I'm Jaden Phelps.